Welcome back to Camper Cooking. Today we're going to make a dish to travel. We're going to make egg roll in a bowl. The first thing that we're going to do is preheat our skillet to 350 and then lightly spray the skillet with cooking spray just to help keep the sausage from sticking. When the skillet has heated to 350 and is warm, you're going to begin cooking a 1 pound or a 16-ounce package of your favorite type of sausage. Before the sausage is completely finished, I like to go ahead and add a half a cup of chopped onion. And the recipe calls for 4 cloves of garlic. If you don't have cloves of garlic, you can use minced garlic. And so I'm going to go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of roasted garlic. And then I'm also going to add 1 and about a half a teaspoon of minced ginger. So teaspoon, about a teaspoon and a half. And then we're going to stir this together and let it cook just a little bit longer. When your onions are beginning to turn translucent, it's time to add your coleslaw mix. Now you can add between 4 to 6 cups of shredded cabbage if that's what you'd like to do, or you can use a pre-prepared package of coleslaw mix, which is what I'm actually going to use today, to kind of spread that out just a little bit. And then I'm going to add actually sodium reduced or reduced sodium soy sauce to this, and I simply add the soy sauce to taste. And once we've added the soy sauce that we want, we're going to cover the egg roll in a bowl and let the cabbage steam. Our cabbage has been steaming with our sausage for about a minute. Now I'm going to go ahead and start stirring our ingredients. Mixing the sausage through the cabbage. And then I'm going to recover and let it continue to steam. Alright, we've let our egg roll in a bowl cook for about another 3 minutes, and as you can see, the cabbage is starting to get really tender. And you can go ahead and serve this now. This is ready. Or if you like your cabbage a little bit more tender, you can go ahead and cook it a little bit longer. Add more seasonings if there's something else just in particular that you want in your dish, or however else that you want to personalize it. There you have our egg roll in a bowl. Check out our other recipes and playlists, and we'll see you next time for Second Helpings.